Sprinkle this on your tomatoes and cucumbers, and they'll reward you with huge harvests. It works better than store-bought fertilizer, and everything you need is already at home. Plants need regular feeding to grow healthy and produce abundantly. Without it, they quickly weaken, leaves turn yellow, and yields are poor. Homemade fertilizer is not only cheaper, but also completely safe for the environment. You can even use it if you have a small garden or grow vegetables in containers. Add 1 tablespoon of citric acid to a bucket with about 1 1/3 gallons of water. Stir well until completely dissolved. Citric acid slightly acidifies the soil, which helps plants absorb important nutrients more easily. As a result, they grow faster, fuller, and become more resistant. It also helps reduce the spread of pathogens in the soil, lowering the risk of fungal diseases and improving the overall health of your crops. Water your tomatoes and cucumbers with this solution. Doing it once every 10 days is enough. The best time is in the morning or evening to avoid sunburn on the leaves. Try this natural mix and watch your tomatoes grow strong and healthy for a long time.